What's more impressive than the beautiful day is this beautiful Ekster wallet, my friends. This is the tangerine orange color right here in front of us. And I'm going to show you another one as well. The leather version in just a second here is what this wallet can do. You have your cash band right here for cash. You can also slip your cash underneath the expansion plate right here. But before we do get further into the video, I do want to tell you, top link in the description box right below the video, as well as the pinned comment in the comment section below, is going to be a direct link with a coupon code for 10% off on anything on Ekster's website. Any wallet, any piece of luggage they have. Their tech backpack is amazing. I have it on this trip. I took it to France. Absolutely did incredible. 10% off anything on Ekster's website. Again, description box as well as the comments below. Use it, pick up anything. Let's get back to the video. So this is the Ekster Cardholder Pro. It has an upgraded metal push button. Again, RFID blocking technology, has the expansion plate and cash band. You can take all that off if you want and just have it super minimalistic if you really want to. But what makes Ekster is fanning out your cards just like this here. Now right here in the slot, I got 6 cards, and what's really awesome is I have my car key right on top, which really is beneficial when I'm mountain bike riding. This literally slips right in my mountain biking shorts. When I'm cycling, this goes right in the back of my pockets on my jersey. This saved my butt if you haven't seen that video already, because I had this, I had a pop tire, went to the bike shop, had my cards, license, I have my medical insurance card in there, God forbid, just in case when I'm mountain biking or cycling as well. My license, I can go grab a coffee, an acai berry bowl after exercise. It is super thin, and you can just pop that in your shorts pocket. It's an absolutely incredible wallet. Again, fanning it out just like that. What I do is I put my most used card on the back or the front. And what that does is that allows you to go ahead and just slip it out like this, using the back of those, popping it back in. You can take them all out if you want. You can fan through them, but it's most convenient for your most used card on the front or your most used card on the back, just for easy access. So that is the tangerine orange color. That is the Cardholder Pro. They have a lot of other awesome colors. Check those out. But now let's show you the leather version. So this is the Ekster Wallet Pro. This is their leather version. It has very similar features to it, but this gives you more options for cards here. There's 2 slots right here and here for cash or cards. Let me just show you my Tesla key in one of these slots. You can have cash in there. You can have coupons. That one goes all the way back there for concealability. Pulling that out, again, leather, beautiful leather. You do have a cash band here as well. Upgraded metal push button, RFID blocking technology. You do have a slot in the back for cards or cash as well. So this just gives you more room and that leather look. This is going to be a little bit thicker than the Cardholder Pro. Beautiful detail to it. E for Ekster, stitching all the way around it. Extra room, again, for your Costco card, cash, coupons, garage sailing. And what's really cool about this wallet is you can access the cards from the flap closed, just like this, or the flap open, just like this. Again, most used card on the front or back, popping that out and then popping it back in, slapping it down, cash, whatever you want inside here. Just gives you more options with a little bit more room, and if you like the leather look. If you like really flashy colors and a little bit thinner, let's give you a comparison on that one. As you can see, it's about, I'd say maybe about 50% thicker. Could be a little bit more thicker than 50%, but that'll give you kind of an idea there. So those are 2 examples for you. Again, the Wallet Pro and the Cardholder Pro. Once again, 10% off any of these wallets or any other wallet they offer on their website, or their luggage sets, tech backpack. I highly recommend their tech backpack as well. 10% off in the description box as well as the comments. You're not going to go wrong. You're not going to be disappointed. They're awesome wallets. My name's Chris. Once again, your links are in the description box and comments. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.